Welcome to Rays of Hope, where inspiration meets possibilities. Join us on this journey as we explore videos that illuminate the path to positivity, resilience, and success. How nature hikes spark gratitude and boost well-being. There's something about stepping onto a trail that instantly shifts your perspective. The rustling leaves, fresh air, and open skies make it easier to feel a sense of gratitude, an appreciation for the moment and the simple joys around you. Gratitude isn't just a feel-good emotion, it's been shown to improve mental health, reduce stress, and increase overall happiness. When you combine that with the calming effect of nature, the benefits only deepen. Nature hikes have a unique way of grounding us, helping us notice the beauty that's often overlooked in daily life. So why not take a walk, let the world slow down, and see how gratitude grows? The connection between gratitude and nature. Spending time in nature isn't just about admiring the scenery, it's a subtle reminder of life's simplicity and beauty. Whether you're hiking through a dense forest or sitting quietly by a river, nature has a way of slowing us down and awakening a sense of gratitude. But what's the science behind this feeling? And why does nature inspire such deep appreciation? Let's explore these ideas. The science behind gratitude and nature. Science has consistently shown that spending time outdoors does more than just lift your mood, it can actually rewire your brain for gratitude. Research in environmental psychology has found that exposure to nature reduces stress, improves mental clarity, and increases overall happiness. But the connection goes deeper. Studies published in journals like Frontiers in Psychology reveal that nature stimulates areas of the brain associated with emotional regulation and appreciation. For example, lowered cortisol levels. Being outdoors reduces stress hormones, making it easier to shift your focus away from worries and toward positive emotions like gratitude. Enhanced mindfulness. Nature encourages you to stay present. When your senses are activated by birds chirping or the scent of fresh pine, it's easier to feel grounded and thankful. Improved mood and outlook. A 2020 study found that those who spent just 20 minutes in a green space reported feeling more optimistic and connected to others. The psychological impact is clear. When we're surrounded by natural beauty, it creates a mental pause, an opportunity to reflect on the things we often take for granted. How nature inspires gratitude. Nature has a profound ability to remind us of life's interconnectedness. Have you ever stood at the base of a towering mountain and felt a quiet awe wash over you? Or marveled at the delicate balance of ecosystems in a forest? These moments often spark a realization: life is bigger than the daily grind. Here's how nature fosters gratitude in meaningful ways. Smaller moments feel significant. Listening to the sound of water rushing over rocks, watching sunlight ripple through leaves. These tiny experiences can make you stop and appreciate the present. Perspective shifts. Nature has a funny way of putting things into perspective. Problems that seemed overwhelming feel smaller when you're looking out at the horizon or standing among ancient trees. Connection to something greater. Being part of nature reminds you that everything, from the tallest redwood to the smallest wildflower, is part of a larger, interconnected system. It's humbling and inspiring all at once. Gratitude and nature go hand in hand because they share a common thread: attention to the present. When you step into nature, you're stepping away from distractions. It's like tuning into a slower, more meaningful frequency that allows gratitude to grow naturally. Benefits of practicing gratitude on nature hikes. Hiking isn't just good for the body, it's nourishment for the heart and mind, too. When combined with intentional gratitude, the experience becomes more than a physical journey. It transforms into a practice of mindfulness and emotional growth. Gratitude amplifies the positive effects of being in nature, turning simple hikes into opportunities for deeper connections, sharper focus, and lasting memories. Improved mental clarity and stress reduction. Let's face it, life can feel overwhelming. Deadlines, constant notifications, and endless to-do lists make it hard to slow down. But when you lace up your boots and step onto a wooded trail, something shifts. Your breathing steadies, your shoulders relax, and the mental noise begins to fade. This isn't just the magic of nature, it's also the power of practicing gratitude along the way. When you focus on what you're thankful for, whether it's the cool breeze or the vibrant colors of fall leaves, your mind naturally becomes more present. Gratitude sharpens your focus by encouraging mindfulness, which helps clear mental clutter. Pair that with the stress-relieving effects of spending time outdoors, and you've got a recipe for mental clarity. Stress relief. Regular hikes in nature are shown to lower cortisol levels, a hormone linked to stress. Adding gratitude to the mix enhances this effect by shifting your mind away from worries. Better focus. When you notice and appreciate small things on your hike, like a bird's song or the smell of wet earth, you're practicing mindfulness, which can improve concentration and reduce mental fatigue. Deep relaxation. Gratitude helps you savor the moment. Combine that with the calming influence of nature, and you'll feel more grounded than ever. Nature hikes aren't just an escape, they're a way to hit the mental reset button. Gratitude makes that reset even more powerful. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll explore even more benefits of hiking and how it can transform your mental health. Thank you for joining us on this uplifting journey with Rays of Hope. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe to stay tuned for more videos that spark hope and empowerment. Until next time, keep shining brightly. Thank you for watching.